Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial. In this one, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can brighten your video in Davinci Resolve 18.6. So let's get right into it. Let me just undo the vignette effects that I've made. And yeah, to actually brighten up the video, what you want to do is go into the color correction, or whatever it's called, the color tab, which is the third one from the right, and in the bottom toolbar. In the color workspace, what you want to do here is you can pretty much use any of these options to change whatever you want in the video, and the one you want is pretty much in under color wheels. This will edit the entire video, and you can just experiment which one of these will actually edit your video. You can try lift, you can try gamma. For some reason it is not editing my video. I don't know why, however it should. Let me just try that again. Delete this video, drag it here, and you can see it there. Go into color again, and under color, let me try. Yeah, as you can see now, you can either brighten it with the lift option, with the gamma option, with the gain option as well, offset. You can just play around with all of these settings, and when you play around, you should find one that fits you best. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in another video.